On May 19, 2018, an ethylene release at a chemical company in Pasadena, Texas, led to a catastrophic fire. The incident occurred during the startup of Reactor 2 following maintenance. Flammable ethylene vapor was released through a pressure relief system and ignited, injuring 23 workers. Many were hurt while escaping, with some jumping from elevated platforms. The damage included equipment destruction, operational disruptions, and extensive financial losses, estimated in the tens of millions. What happened? On May 19, 2018, morning, the startup of Reactor 2 began after maintenance. The system gradually introduced ethylene, but cold temperatures caused liquid ethylene to form in the reactor. At 7 a.m., operators attempted to warm the reactor using steam, which increased pressure inside the vessel. Alarms for high pressure were triggered but were manually acknowledged. At 8:51 a.m., the reactor pressure reached the high pressure alarm threshold of 640 psi, and conditions continued to worsen. At 10:28 a.m., the pressure exceeded 740 psi, activating the emergency pressure relief system. Flammable ethylene vapor was discharged horizontally into an area where contractors were working. A welding operation likely ignited the vapor, creating a fireball. Workers fled the area, some hindered by fall protection equipment, resulting in severe injuries. At 10:30 a.m., emergency responders arrived but faced challenges due to the intensity of the fire and injured personnel. The fire extinguished itself after the pressure dropped below the relief valve threshold. What are the root causes? Faulty pressure relief design. The emergency relief system vented ethylene horizontally, near workers, instead of directing it to a safe location like a flare. Operator training gaps. Workers were not adequately trained on high-pressure alarm responses or the unique characteristics of Reactor 2. Process hazard analysis deficiencies. Known hazards from earlier assessments were not addressed, including improper relief system discharge locations. Presence of non-essential workers. Contractors performing non-critical tasks were in high-risk areas during startup. Key lessons and mitigations. Redesign relief systems. Ensure all emergency pressure relief systems discharge to safe locations, such as flares or elevated vents. Exclude non-essential personnel. Restrict access to critical areas during high-risk operations like startups. Strengthen training programs. Train operators on alarm management, emergency procedures, and unique equipment features. Implement PHA recommendations. Regularly review and act on findings from process hazard analyses to prevent future incidents. Thank you for watching.